Hello everyone. Recipe to make mango milkshake. Mango milkshake is a delightful and refreshing drink made from ripe mangoes and milk. Here's a simple recipe to make it. Ingredients: 2 ripe mangoes, peeled and chopped, 1 cup chilled milk, 2-3 tablespoons sugar, adjust according to taste, ice cubes optional, a scoop of vanilla ice cream optional for a creamier texture, a pinch of cardamom powder or a dash of vanilla extract, optional for flavor enhancement. Instructions: Number 1. Wash, peel and chop the ripe mangoes into chunks. Number 2. In a blender, add the chopped mangoes, chilled milk, sugar and any optional ingredients like ice cubes, vanilla ice cream, cardamom powder or vanilla extract. Number 3. Blend everything together until smooth and creamy. Number 4. Taste the milkshake and adjust the sweetness if necessary by adding more sugar if desired. Number 5. Once the milkshake reaches your desired consistency and taste, pour it into serving glasses. Number 6. Optionally, garnish with a slice of mango or a sprinkle of cardamom powder on top. You can also add a handful of nuts like almonds or cashews for added texture. Enjoy your homemade favorite mango milkshake. Thank you.